The Admiralty Information Overlay, or AIO, is free to AVCS customers with a compatible ECDIS. Once a customer subscribes to the AIO service, the AIO will be added to the customer's AVCS permit file. Permits, including the AIO, will need to be installed to enable users to install the AIO data. Within Chart Assistant, select S57 SENC from the Format drop-down menu. Now click License. Select Browse and highlight the folder that contains the permit.txt file. Click OK, and then click OK again. Once the permits have installed, click Close to close the reporting window.